hula hooping today was?
So much fun and exciting.
It was mad fun.
I had like so much fun. Supriya and her team was so great.
Amazing. It felt like a very good workout session, but with fun.
Having fun in a unnatural way. This is not something we usually do.
And I never knew my waist could do this, so yeah.
We ran away from our laptops the moment we heard there's a hula hoop session. A lot of inner child healing that's going on when you do something like this. Yeah.
People were really engaging. They were calling their friends and to come and do this hula hoop thing. And they were really energized to see the colorful hoops and do a lot of hooping. Yeah.